If you're seeing an account not found message on Epic Games, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This is usually caused by using the wrong email address, a password issue, a disabled account, or even a simple launcher or browser glitch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to check so you can get back into your Epic Games account as quickly as possible. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, the most important thing to do is check whether you are using the correct email ID. A lot of the time, the account not found error appears because people are trying to sign in with an email they don't normally use for Epic Games. Think back to which email you used when you first created the account, or any other email addresses you may have linked over time. If you're not sure, go to the Epic Games sign-in page and carefully try the email you believe is connected to the account. If that still doesn't work, use the Forgot Password option. This is a great way to confirm whether the email is recognized by Epic Games. Enter the email address you think is correct, then follow the password reset process. If you receive the reset email, that's a strong sign the account exists and the email is valid. If you do not receive anything, double check for typos, old inboxes, or alternate emails you may have used before. Next, make sure your account has not been deleted or disabled. Sometimes users think the account is missing when it may actually be inaccessible because of account issues, policy violations, or inactivity problems. If Epic Games has disabled the account, you may need to contact support or review any emails from Epic Games that explain what happened. It's also a good idea to check all your email folders, including spam and promotions, because account notices can sometimes end up there. Now let's move on to another simple but very effective fix. Clear your browser cache or restart the launcher. If you're signing in through a browser, old cache data can interfere with the login page and cause incorrect account errors. Clear your cache, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try again. If you're using the Epic Games launcher, fully close it, restart your computer if needed, and then open the launcher again. This can refresh the login session and remove temporary errors that may be blocking access. After that, try logging in again with the correct email and password. If you're still getting the same message, don't keep guessing random emails or passwords over and over. Instead, slow down and verify each detail carefully. Make sure caps lock is off, make sure there are no extra spaces, and make sure you are using the exact account information tied to Epic Games. If you signed up using a third-party login like Google, Facebook, Apple, or console credentials, try logging in through that same method instead of manually entering a password. That can often be the difference between an account not found error and a successful login. Another thing to check is whether your Epic account is tied to a different platform than you expected. For example, if you originally created the account through console or a linked service, the direct email login may not be the one you remember. So if the first method fails, try every sign-in method you may have used when setting up the account. If none of those work, your best next step is to contact Epic Games support and provide them with as much detail as possible, including your possible email addresses, display name, and any purchase or login information you remember. To quickly recap, start by checking the correct email ID, reset your password with Forgot Password, confirm the account is not deleted or disabled, clear your browser cache or restart the launcher, and then try logging in again. Most account not found issues can be solved with one of these steps. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next fix, and I'll see you in the next one.